Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to create a responsive bootstrap image slider using carousel. I'm reloading the browser. See, here we got the final output. We got the images, the text, the indicators, previous, next, next. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. In my previous videos, I have showed how to create a single page website from scratch. If you miss those videos, you'll get that link at the end of this video tutorial. Now in this video, I will show you how to create the bootstrap image slider on the header page below the navigation bar. Let's open my coding part. And this is the code we have just seen the output on the browser. Come to the bottom. I want to create the image slideshow below the navigation bar. So up to here, the navigation bar is finished. Div. I'm closing this div. Class is equals to container fluid. Div class is equals to, in this class I am adding the row class, image thumbnail, and a container. Let's close this div. Div class, I am adding the class for the large devices, column large devices 1. I'm closing this div. Div class. I'm closing this div also. Column large devices 10. Column extra small devices 12. Column small devices 12. Div id is equals to slideshow example. The class is carousel slide bg field, and the next property I am adding the data ride is carousel. Now in this div tag, the first will add the indicators for the images. I'm adding 3 images to this slideshow, so I need 3 indicators. OL, I'm closing this OL. Class carousel indicators LI, I'm closing this LI. Data target. The data target is a slideshow example. This div hash data slide to 0 is the first image, and the first image should be active. Class active. Let's copy this one. I'm adding only 3 images for this slideshow, so I have added 3 indicators. The class I don't require. Only the first class should be active. Div class is equals to, let's close this div first. Carousel. Now the class I'm adding, instead of slideshow, I'm adding fade. Div, I'm closing this div. class carousel item active. Now in this div container I am adding the first image, must be active. Image source is equals to alternate text apples. I'm adding the caption for this image cursor caption. I'm closing this div h3 apples. That's it. We have created the first image. Let's copy this one to create the second image. Remove this active. We don't require the active for the second image. Clouds, the second image, clouds, and the caption is clouds. Copy this one, paste here. Ocean, and the caption is ocean. After adding the indicators and images, now I'm creating the button controls to go to the next image and previous image. For that I'm adding the href link, href. The href is the slideshow example. The dividing, which is hash, class is equals to carousel control previous. Role is a button control. Data slide previous. I'm closing the href link. Now inside the href link I am adding the icon to this href link. I'm using span. Class is equals to carousel control previous icon area hidden true. I'm closing this span. Let's copy this. The next button, next, data slide, next, and the span control, next icon. We have done the coding part. We just added to this image slideshow the indicators, images, and the previous and the next button. Let's save this file. We'll check the basic output, how it looks on the browser. I'm reloading the browser, and here we got the output, the images width. We need to adjust the images height and width as well as the background color. The first I will make the height and width of the images and the background color of this image control. Let's switch back to the coding part. First we'll add the intervals. The interval I'm adding the duration for the slides. Data interval I'm adding 3000, and the background color I want to add the DG dark, background dark, which is the navigation bar of the background color. Here, let's add some style. Padding top 70 pixels, padding bottom 20 pixels, and position of the slideshow must be fixed. Let's create the style. Image height width dot height 120 pixels, width 930 pixels. Text align is the center, and I'm giving the border radius of the images. Border radius 35 pixels. Let's copy this CSS class. For the images I'm adding, class is equals to this one. Copy this. I'm adding to the second image as well as a third image. That's it. Let's save this file. Here I forgot to add the data slides for the indicators. It's 1 and this is a 2 for the first image and for the second image. Let's save this file again. We'll check the final results on the browser. I'm reloading the browser. See, here we got the final output. We got the images, the text, the indicators, previous, next, next. That's it.